So bafethu uHlathi has finally accepted ukuthi uLikamva is no more because Likamva's brain activity is not functional. So he is breaking down the news to Uthumeka, and Uthumeka is not giving any consent. He is not agreeing ukuthi uLikamva usehambile or i-brain activity yakhe ayisasebenzi. Instead, Uthumeka still believes ukuthi uLikamva is alive and uLikamva uzovuka, of which the doctors actually specified and actually made it clear to the family ukuthi uLikamva's brain activity is now not functional. But yena usaphila ngokomshini, he's still in life support, of which the doctors are gonna continue working on him. But ke akusathembisi, it's not promising for uLikamva to actually make it and come back ukuze aphile nabanye abantu, uyabo. So now it's a sacrifice one and save one situation. It's a point ukuthi uLikamva's heart should save uQhawe, and apparently uHlathi is trying to like get the point to uZoleka, but no, not uZoleka, uThumeka, but Thumeka does not seem to get the point. Ngalena yabafethu ke ulwandle is in deep trouble because umawethu is getting closer to the truth, and umawethu keeps on questioning ulwandle ukuthi ikuphi imoto yakhe, where is his car, because ulwandle flee at the scene of the accident that he caused, yabona, eka Likamva noZethu, you understand, because at that day he was drunk. But ke uthe sebashayisile uZethu noLikamva, he flee from the scene. It was a hit and run type of situation. So uLwandle had to lie to Mawethu, telling him ukuthi he got mugged laphana garage, where 3 guys or 4 guys came to him and mugged him, and then they hijacked him and took the car. So manje uMawethu doesn't seem to believe the story, yabona, ngoba uLwandle naye is failing to answer uMawethu and is failing to actually show uMawethu evidence yemoto yakhe, because uMawethu is asking ukuthi ziphi ikeys zemoto, where is the car, yabona, and uLwandle does not seem to actually show up, yabona. Instead he keeps on lying, and umxoshileke uMawethu lapha endlini ke uMawethu pleading to know the truth from uLwandle, but uLwandle does not seem to cooperate, yabona, emtshela iqiniso. UZoleka ke naye ke has come to her own conclusion ukuthi uLikamva naye akasekho, he's not gonna make it, and i-brain activity yakhe ayisebenzi. So it's one of the same thing that abavumelana ngayo noHlathi, because uZoleka, if ukhumbula kahle, she was the one who went to kaMabandla to request ukuthi uthathwe inhliziyo kaLikamva to uQhawe so that uQhawe can be saved, because time is running out and uQhawe might also die with uLikamva. So if nothing is done, both uQhawe and Likamva are gonna die, you understand. So uHlathi ke has come to give consent, yabona, to uZoleka, uLazarus, yabo, ukuthi they can save uQhawe ngenhliziyo kaLikamva. And ke I can say ukuthi uZoleka could not believe it, but also was grateful to hear such news, because it's good news to her ukuthi uHlathi, as the head and the father of both children, is willing to save uQhawe, which is also Zoleka's daughter, you understand. On the other side, uZoleka is kind of grateful that the accident happened, Likamva, because now it came up to a situation where they have to save uQhawe ngenhliziyo kaLikamva, and of course uLikamva did not make it from the accident, you understand. So at some point she is feeling guilty ukuthi she went there to Uthumeka and the Mabandlas to ask ukuthi inhliziyo kaLikamva ethathwe isave uQhawe, yabona, isindise uQhawe. At some point she's 50-50, you understand. She's kind of grateful that the accident happened. At the same time, in order to save uQhawe, at the same time she feels guilty about the whole situation, because it's not easy as a mother having to go to another mother to ask for her child's heart to save your child, you understand. It's not even easy, guys, to do that, but ngesibindi sikaZoleka, she had to go and confront uThumeka and ask her and request ukuthi kusavwe uQhawe ngenhliziyo kaLikamva. On the other side, uThumeka does not want to accept ukuthi uLikamva won't make it back to life, because lo muntu is now alive with machines, and there's no way to actually like get back uLikamva to his normal self, even if he survives from hospital, because his brain activity is off, and the doctors actually confirmed that. But uThumeka does not seem to actually accept the fact that uLikamva will not make it, and uLikamva is as good as dead. So uHlathi is trying to like make it clear to uThumeka ukuthi the only way we can save one and sacrifice one is for the process to happen. And if it does not happen, one is gonna die, you understand? So Thumeka believes in God, yabo, and not doctors. And uthe yahamba uThumeka uHlathi wabe seyamnqanda emtshela ukuthi he has given consent to uZoleka noLazarus, especially uZoleka, because obviously it's his daughter noZoleka ukuthi bangayithatha inhliziyo kaLikamva and transfer it to uQhawe so that uQhawe can live, yabo. So on the other side, it's back to work. Lapha neKhusela, these guys are actually like working on some access that was leaked, yabo. So the main person of this leak was Ulinda. Linda was involved, and Linda has flee away from that certain place la seven like when surrounding in Kusela, and he's hiding somewhere. So bayakhuluma ngoQhawe yabona, in my way it was kind of daydreaming at work, yabona, saying he is still tired and he's still thinking about 2025. Yabona, there's still fatigue of the festive, of which they do not have a festive. They are tired because they were working on the axis, the quantum axis leak, yabona. So bakhuluma ngoQhawe, yabona, ongawe asho ukuthi he has been worried about uQhawe and stuff. So they wanted to actually also track down Ulinda to see ukuthi ukuphi Ulinda, so that she can come back and explain her side of the story ukuthi kwenzakaleni ukuze kube ne leak. On the other side, bafethu, ngalena it's still arguments, yabona. uThumeka is still hurting a situation kaLikamva and cannot let go, yabona, regarding the situation kaLikamva. And uHlathi is trying to convince uThumeka ukuthi avume phela ukuthi iyenzeke i-process to save uQhawe, because if they don't do anything and if it's silent, no one is going to get saved. Instead, both children are going to be lost by the families, you understand? So Uhlathi is trying to convince uThumeka, and uThumeka is not giving any consent. Kuthe nje esazama ukufaka igama likaZoleka uHlathi, kwavele wafika uZoleka, speak of the devil, and uyamconfronta uThumeka to tell her ukuthi she is not going to give anyone allowance ukuthi bathathe inhliziyo kaLikamva, because uLikamva is Thumeka's son, you understand? Sekuyomane kufe uQhawe, yabo, then uLikamva, because uThumeka still believes ukuthi uLikamva can still make it and live, yabo. On the other side, yena akazwelani nokuthi uQhawe angafa, of which she thinks ukuthi uQhawe is not her child, yabona, she didn't give a birth to uQhawe. On the other side, yabafethu, umawethu trying to get hold of Ulinda noLwandle. So as you saw, guys, ukuthi umawethu is trying to like get the car keys and the cars nakaLwandle, of which Lwandle does not want to expose himself. So while umawethu is trying to get the information, uLwandle is not even holding his phone. He is not picking up his phone. On the other side, Ulinda picked up the phone and called umawethu, yabona, and umawethu is begging and pleading Ulinda to come back before things get worse between iKhusela, Lazarus, noZoleka, because obviously Ulinda is skating on thin ice, yabona. She's really in trouble after the quantum access leak, yabona. So of which you see it actually sabotaged Ulinda, and they had like their own conflicts, yabona, and their own betrayals on the side, of which Khusela does not know, and that's keeping Ulinda hiding. So mawethu bafethu had to report the matter to iCIO yakhe uOnga, and uOnga told mawethu ukuthi he must be prepared because there's a huge stop coming. Ukusho ukuthi sekuzoshubayeke manje since they got Ulinda. And odokotela ke bafethu have agreed, yabona, to actually go on with the process regarding consent from uHlathi. So uHlathi ke bafethu, as the head of the house, but odokotela, it is within the law ukuthi the head of the house decides ukuthi enzeni regarding the situation ekaQhawe noLikamva. So as you saw, guys, uHlathi has given consent to uZoleka ukuthi bangayithatha inhliziyo kaLikamva to uQhawe, but uThumeka still does not agree to that, you understand? Agree uThumeka, of which led her to go and beg uHlathi not to give consent or to change his mind regarding giving consent to the situation. But I think he's already given consent even to the doctors. As the head of the house, uHlathi has accepted ukuthi Likamva's brain activity is not functioning, so there's nothing they can do to save Likamva anymore further. So the only way to actually finish off this thing is to save one but sacrifice one. Alena yabafethu mfazi kaThulani yabona, of which is Thumeka's sister uLimise, does not agree with that yabona. Uyasho naye ukuthi if she was in Thumeka's shoes, she wouldn't agree and all hell would break loose. You could see the pain in her eyes ukuthi akavumi ngempela la muntu lana. But moving on ke bafethu, uLwandle is in deep trouble bafethu. I feel like this guy is gonna flee again uzobaleke futhi, because uLwandle has broken down the news to his mom ukuthi umawethu knows about the whole situation ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Mawethu has been investigating uLwandle and you can see ukuthi uLwandle is lying regarding the accident ukuthi uLwandle went to the garage or there was a place where people mugged him and he was the one who caused the accident. And ke umawethu ke bafethu has threatened uLwandle ukuthi if he does not tell him the truth, umawethu is gonna go to the police and report the matter. So uLwandle has broken down the news to his mom, and umama wakhe bafethu uHlengiwe seems to be disappointed in the matter. We understand that because the situation keeps on elevating. But on the other side bafethu, as you can see, odokotela badonse uLikamva noKhawe all together, and uThumeka is still crying and whining for uLikamva, which is her son. We understand that. Thumeka still thinks ukuthi uLikamva is gonna make it, but the rest does not believe in that yabona. So ngibanibona bafethu, it's pain in Thumeka's eyes, pain in Thumeka's face. It's an emotional situation, you understand, that where everyone is actually sad, especially Thumeka for losing her own son. She's thinking ukuthi futhi uLikamva is going to get killed, but it's not even the case yabona. It's saving one child and sacrificing one, because it is believed bafethu ukuthi uLikamva is not gonna return anytime soon, and phelile ngayo uLikamva. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to the page bafethu. Thanks for watching. Danko.